Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find security. Here we have to tap on encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. What is more, we cannot tap on this option again, so it is basically the evidence that we just successfully removed the certificates. And be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.